Should you do a 0% card? Should you move all your debt over to a 0% card? This is a slippery slope. If you move all your debt over to a 0% card and you put it on that, then you don't pay, you're not having interest, and you have your payments you're going to make every month. But that time period is going to run out. If you miss a payment, the promo is going to end and you're going to be at whatever percent. Usually those are really, really high. If you do not have your balance paid off by the time the promotional offer is over, and if you haven't read the fine print really well, sometimes those will backdate to the original time of the loan, and they will charge you interest for the entire time period. Yes, you heard that right. I know you're thinking, no, I couldn't have heard that right. No, you heard that right. They will go back in time, and now you will earn interest. You will have interest that you owe them on the time period you were supposed to have 0% because you still had a balance on the 0% card when the promotional offer ended. So that's another pickle you could get yourself into. Then the third pickle, which is the worst pickle, is if you haven't gotten your spending under control and you put all that money on a 0% card, what you're going to wind up doing is going out and getting yourself even further in debt, because you are going to continue spending the way you've been spending. And now you're going to have the debt again, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 9 months. You're going to have the same amount of debt again, and you're still going to have that big ass balance on the 0% card. So if you're looking at doing a 0% card, it is imperative that you have your spending under control, because if you don't, you will wind up getting into a very big pickle.